This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Carmen Washington. This charming 2-year-old, 3-bedroom home is located in the highly desirable Ladies Island. It offers an open floor plan with 3 bedrooms on the second level, vinyl flooring on the first level, and smooth ceilings. The kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinet space. The primary suite has a double vanity, a garden tub style combo, and a convenient upstairs laundry room. The flexible room off the garage offers endless possibilities for a man cave, workshop, or versatile bonus space. Located near the airport and less than 5 minutes from shopping destinations, including Walmart and Publix. The price is firm. Request through showing time. For more information, review the details below or contact Carmen Washington at 843-715-3538.